Today we'll make the magic and scary pirate ship. Do you want to have such a pirate ship? Let's do this. Magic craft. To make this pirate ship, we need markers, glue stick, scissors, white paper, brown cardboard, some colorful paper, and the straw. Okay, let's start. First, we make the base of our ship. First, we take our brown cardboard. And we flip it. Take a marker and draw the shape. It will be like this. One vertical line, a little bit here, then cut, and you see now it goes down a little bit. Down. Okay, good. Like this very interesting shape. Now we fold it like this. Press, 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 press. Because we need two parts. So inside is brown, here is white. Now we're ready to cut. Together. Ready, steady, go. It might be not easy peasy to cut the cupboard, but you should really try. Ta-da! Now we have two parts, and we'll stick them together, but a little bit later. Scissors, put the pieces away. So now we need to make the bottom of our ship. For this, we take some paper. I want to take some brown. This is too small. Oh, I want to use this one. We'll stick it right here. So we need this long piece and the white, whatever you want. So I'll just cut this piece in the middle. You can use a ruler to measure it and make a straight line. Oh, nice and straight rectangle. Cool. Close it. We'll use it later. Now we need to fold here a little bit so we know where is the floor. So you put your finger. And fold on the size of your finger, approximately like this. Good. And on this part too. Press. Let's measure. Okay, that looks nice. Now the floors. First we spread the glue right here on one side. And now you stick the floor. On the other side it looks like this. So you see, a little bit, approximately 1 centimeter. And we spread, press, 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 press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now we fold it like this. Press, 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 press. Okay. Now here is the floor. Super. The second part. Oh, the floor will be really narrow. Now we need to stick it on this side. So we match these little parts like this. Whoa, this is too much. I cut this size and a little bit more. This is extra. Okay, put it away. Now spread the glue on this part. Let's stick and then we'll fix. Press. Now let's measure. We need to stick it together, but the floor must go inside. So first we need to cut this extra piece. Oh, goodbye. Oh, here is not enough. Not enough glue. But I think it will not be a problem because we'll stick it together. So you press like letter M. And stick the nose. This is really good. You see, here is some white part. We need to cut it off. Okay. And now time for the glue. Easy peasy grabs generously. So make M inside and press. Whoa, that's good. Here we can press a bit more to make it more volume, to give it more volume. And our ship can stand. Fantastic! Now it's time to decorate it. First, I want to cut and stick here a long red stripe. For this, I need some paper. Blue stick. Great. So, I want some red. No, I want some dark red. Dark red, I remember it was somewhere here. Dark red, where are you? This one. Beautiful. Oh, this will not be enough. And like this? Not enough. Like this. So I need to cut the long stripe. And actually I need two. So this is extra, I don't need. 1, 2. So here are 2. And I fold it. And cut the line. Cut following the line. It helps us to make a straight cut. Okay, super. This is extra. I don't need it. Who knows? Let's see. And for now, put it away. As far as I need one on this side and one on the other side, what do? Fold in the center. So you match the sides, press, press, and cut in the middle. But I think it will be too wide. Let's measure. Oh no, it's perfect. This is the right size. Open our little book and cut. Okay, 2 lines are ready. Steady, go! Spread the glue. Carefully. Enough of glue. Stick the stripe. Oh, it's not enough. I need more glue. More. The wide line of the glue. And on the nose, on the tip. Hey, I said on the tip. Naughty glue stick. Good, I like. Looks nice. This is extra. What do we do with the extra pieces? We cut them. Chop, chop, chop. Thank you. Good. Now repeat on the other side. Yes, enough. Cool. And stick. Press, 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 press. And chop. Just cut like this. Let me see. Beautiful. Beautiful. And here I think, yes, we have little piece which we can stick at the back parts of our ship. Press, Don't forget to press. Never forget to press. Extra piece. Fantastic. Now let's draw the windows. Yes, there might be some windows too. So, we draw some black circles. Black marker. Ready, steady, go. One circle. Yes, it's not as easy to draw on this. So put your hand inside and draw. One black circle and two. Okay. It doesn't dry? Ah, yes, it dries. It's okay. Just wait a little bit till the marker dries. Okay, cool. And on the other side. One and two. There is the captain sleeping. Captain of the pirate ship. Yo-ho-ho. Cool, cool, good. Let's put it here. And now it's time for the sails. The sails are black. Ooh. Black sails. Without the sails, the ship wouldn't be able to float on the water surface. So we need one big square and one smaller square. I think I might probably use the whole piece. Yes, I think I'll cut it. I'll take it out carefully. And I need to draw a big square. Very big. And why not the second one too? And this one is a little bit smaller. Now I'll cut and you will see, because on the black paper it's really hard to make something visible. So we cut the square and make little slight turns to make sharp edges and not just a square. Look, like this. Now I need to fix this side too. So this is the big sail, and now I need the small one. Cut. And now fix this straight side to the center and out to the corner. Whoa, let me see. Fantastic sails. We have a lot of pieces remaining, this big piece, but maybe you'll lose it later. Not lose, or use. Now, time for the straw. Let me see. We need to make a little hole here. Okay, it is a little bit messy, but still, we can work with it. Ta-da-da-da-dum. The second hole, step a bit and make a hole. Okay, and put one. Come on. Lower, and two. Da-da-da-da-da. So the smaller sail is ready, and it will look like this. Oh, that is so cool. Now the big one. Do the same, repeat with the holes. Okay. And from this side. Wow, these sails are so cool. For this, we need a white paper. So leaving the sails here. Oh, let's put them aside. Later we'll stick them. And we draw a long line, like this. Like this, the flag, the shape of a flag. Closer to this part, we draw the skull and bones. Skull, eyes, teeth. Strange skull, but okay. And bones. And now we need to color it all to leave the skull and bones white. Don't leave any white dots. And don't color the skull. It must stay white. So, somewhat like this. And this we need to stick around the straw. The bones look strange, but okay. That's okay, we're just learning. Now we need to cut this whole flag with the long parts. 1, 2. And look what we need to do. We need to twist it around to glue it together. Later you can color it black too, by the way. Spreading the glue on the flag. And press, press, press. Da-da-da-da-dum. Now we have the pirate flag, the black sails, and the pirate ship. We need a stripe of paper. I can use what I have left from cutting this line. It shouldn't be really wide, shouldn't be really long, like this. A little rectangle. We'll stick it like this to the ship inside. Moving the paper. Now I spread the glue on this rectangle. Moving higher. And sticking inside. Yep. So now our ship is almost done. Fantastic! Oh, we forgot one thing. It is the anchor. Without the anchor, the ship won't be able to park in the bay. So it must be yellow. I want to have a golden anchor. So I cut a square or a rectangle. Like this. Here we draw like a triangle. Then we draw the wings of a bird. Looks like a seagull. Now we draw the straight line. 2 lines. Little square, semicircle. Looks good. Time to cut. It takes quite some experience, but first we cut this side off. Ta-da! Now let's stick it right here. Spread the glue. Wow, this looks amazing. Look, the pirate ship is complete. Ahoy! Now it's time to clean up. Clean up. Ta-da! The ship is done. It was really hard, but you did it. Good job. See you on the next craft.